I just want to remember this weather report today in the middle of next winter when I'm freezing my ass off. Today, right now, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's 105 degrees. Tomorrow, Thursday, will be 110 degrees. Friday, 102, and my days off, which are going to be great because then I can work on my DIO, are going to be 84 and 87. Can't beat it. The only good thing about working in this crap is that I'm on my little Yamaha Zuma, and it makes it a little tiny bit easier to drive in, but it's like driving in a blast furnace kind of. So it's 105 degrees today. Maybe global warming is real, but I kind of doubt it. I don't really call it global warming. I call it summer. DIOSpeedDEMON.